Hey guys, so now we are gonna make the sticky and sweet chicken. So we're obviously gonna need chicken. We're gonna need chicken rub spice. We're gonna need barbecue spice. Because we're banting, we're gonna need pink salt. We're gonna need soy sauce. We're gonna need paprika. If you want, you can go for that hot one, but no. I'm also cooking for children, so that's just not gonna work. And then we've got unsalted butter. It has to be butter, not margarine. Remember, banting, keto, no margarine. That's not good fat, right? Then we're gonna use Worcester sauce, and then we're gonna use sweet and sticky chicken, shaker thing. And then again, we are going to use erythritol, yeah, erythritol sweetener, right? In replacement of the sugar. I've melted the butter. I'm gonna pour it in this beautiful plastic full of chicken, right? And then I am going to use 1 full tablespoon of paprika. I'm gonna pour half, then I'll use another as well. Alright, that should be 1 full one, right? Then I'm gonna use 1 full tablespoon of chicken rub. And 1 go. And then we're gonna need 1 full tablespoon
of this sweet and sticky chicken. Maybe we need this. I have an idea because I'm most like smart here. That's why I'm smart.
Right, pour that in there. I think I want to pour a little bit more. This spice is just so nice. Then I'm going to use barbecue spice. Also, done. And then now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this together for. So now I have fully coated the chicken, and it looks amazing, right? You know what I did forget to do though? I forgot to spray the pan with some non-stick spray, right? So now I'm gonna do it over the meat. Oopsie! This thing suffocates you, like you can't breathe. I'm gonna put my chicken into the oven, 180 degrees Celsius. It's been preheating now for about 10 minutes or so. I'm now gonna put it inside of the oven, and there we go. Right, oh, it smells delicious, by the way. So this recipe is a yes from me. The last part of the sweet and sticky chicken, we're gonna pour Alright guys, so the soy sauce, as you can see, is boiling very nice. So now we are dunking. Ooh, how delicious does that look? exercise, exercise my hand. Yeah. Last two. Into that. There we go. Alright, so with a little teaspoony, I'm going to drizzle this over the meat. Soy sauce, right? There we go, ladies and gentlemen. And now, let me feel, okay, that is no longer hot. I am now going to put this back in the oven at 175 degrees for only 5 minutes. Yay! Alright guys, so now the meat has been in the oven for another 5 minutes after I dunked it, and this is how it looks like. It looks delicious. I am telling you, I cannot wait to go through this. So what I'm going to do is, remember the salad that we did in the afternoon, earlier on. Then we're going to put some chicken. Right. Then we can put a wing to go with this. No, that doesn't look nice. Let's do that. That looks better, right? And then we're gonna put this like that. Right, and then you can dunk your chicken. In this, so let's move that aside. Dun dun. Right, let's put some basil on top for some garnishing. Oh, this smells amazing. It smells amazing. How nice does this look?